Hey guys, JimEdwards here. Hope you're having a great day. I've got a cool demo for you because it's Tooltip Tuesday, and a lot of people have been asking, Jim, how are you getting those cool closed captions at the bottom of your video when they're playing in mute mode on Facebook? So what are we talking about? We're talking about when you see a video and it starts playing and it's got this cool text right here. How do you do it? Because this stops people in the scroll, lets them know if they want to unmute you and actually listen to your video. What? Because we want people to listen to our videos. But in order to listen to them, they got to see what it's about. A lot of people are scrolling. We got to stop them. Hey, everybody. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So how do we do it? We do it using a service known as Timmy. No, not Timmy from South Park. Timmy! I had to do that. But using a service called Timmy. Timmy, not Timmy. Timmy. Okay? Here's how it works. You come over here to Timmy.com. Okay? And you sign up for a free account. And then you're going to click on New Order. Then what you're going to do is you're going to grab the URL for your video, which you can right click on the timestamp here, and you're going to copy link address. Then you're going to come over here and you're going to paste in the URL. You're going to click add. Then they're going to analyze how long your video is, long enough for me to go, Timmy! Anyway, and they're going to say, okay, this video is 5 minutes long. They charge 10 cents per minute. So you can check out, and I'm going to tell you guys something. I'm going to pay 50 cents for you guys because I value you. So you can see how this works, and it happens super, super quick. So we place the order. The one thing I will tell you is that the URL has to be public. So it has to be something that they don't have to log in. Somebody could just come and see it. So it can't be in a private group, in which case you could just download the video, and then when you did a new order, you could upload the video, just upload the file. So that's pretty much all you got to do. Then what you do is, once they have it done, which should only be a couple, 3 minutes, then it will show your video along with the transcript, and you want to just read through the first, minute or so just to make sure, because since it's not a person doing the transcription, then there are going to be minor little flubs in here. And so you just make sure that it looks right and they got your name right. Then you're going to click download, and then you're going to click on this subrip thing. You're going to download that. And then what you have to do, this is the one little thing I don't understand why they do. I mean, I guess I understand, but it'll have this thing in here. And then in order to add this, you need to go into, not edit post, edit, cancel that, click on the video. You want to get to where the page looks like this, okay? And then you're going to click on the 3 dots over here. It's going to say edit video. And then down here is where you add the subrip, okay? But here's the thing. In order for this to work, you will notice that this one ends in .srt. But in order for it to work on Facebook, it's got to end in .en_us.srt. So what you do is, this is kind of a pain, but it's not hard. You're going to copy that little bit, the .en.us.srt. You're going to come back over here. You're going to right click on your file. You're going to click on rename, and then you're going to paste that little bit in so that the name of the file is, and I already had one in there, so it wanted to rename it with the 2. But basically the name of your file is whatever the file name is, .en_us.srt. Once you've got that, you're going to choose your file. And what the hell was this? I don't remember what the name of it was. Anyway, then you're just going to find the file. Are you forcing? Okay. You're going to find the file, upload it, you click save, and then it'll have everything in there for you. So, and then it'll happen immediately. But the cool thing that I like about Timmy is it's still processing, but it should be done here in another minute. I mean, this doesn't take very long. It'll do it in real time. So that's how you do it. Let me ask you guys a question. That's the kind of thing that people charge you to learn, isn't it? Yes, it is. So I would just tell you guys, it's awesome. So remember, when you want to have those closed captions done, and you can use closed captions for any kind of video that you're doing, but especially on Facebook if you want to stop the scroll, remember, it's Timmy, not Timmy from South Park. So if you enjoyed it, let me know in the comments down below. If you want me to keep making these cool Tip Tuesday videos, everybody have a great day. And if you'd like even more amazing videos like that, check out my blog at thejimedwardsmethod.com. Have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.